Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in a discussion on the main reason why most blogs fail. We will delve into the hype surrounding content marketing, the common pitfalls faced by online businesses, and the essential strategies for creating sustainable blog traffic. As I touched upon earlier, the world of digital marketing is abuzz with excitement about content marketing. Virtually every online business dreams of having a thriving blog as part of their marketing strategy. However, the crux of the matter is that many companies find themselves grappling with a significant challenge: the shortage of the requisite knowledge and expertise needed to manage a blog effectively. In an era where quality content can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers, bridging this knowledge gap becomes paramount for business looking to stay competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. It is a common sight to encounter company blogs that diligently churn out new articles every month. At first glance, this might appear to be a positive approach, demonstrating a commitment to content production. However, the issue becomes glaringly apparent when you dig a little deeper and notice that these articles are receiving minimal engagement in the form of comments and shares. This lack of interaction serves as a clear indicator that these articles aren't effectively reaching new audiences or resonating with the existing ones, rendering all the time and effort invested into them essentially fruitless. It is a crucial reminder that the mere act of publishing content isn't enough. It's equally important to ensure that it connects with your target audience and elicits meaningful engagement to drive your business goals. A lot have experienced this struggle. Just a few years ago, many also were completely clueless about how to run a successful blog. In an attempt to emulate successful bloggers, many followed their advice religiously, published daily, created list posts, engaged in expert roundups, and shared content across various social media platforms. While each tactic showed promise individually, they failed to translate into blog growth or increased sales. The pattern I consistently witnessed was the spike of hope shortly after publishing an article. This initial spike resulted from sharing the article with email lists and social media followers. However, the enthusiasm quickly faded when promotion efforts ceased, leading to what I like to call the flatline of no. This roller coaster of traffic isn't sustainable in the long term. When we talk about growth, it is important to recognize that true growth should look different. It should not be a short-lived surge, but rather a sustainable long-term progress. This fundamental concept is often referred to as the compound effect of content marketing. In essence, it means that the efforts you invest in creating and promoting content should accumulate over time, building upon each other. The goal is to make sure that your website's traffic doesn't dwindle when you temporarily pause your content creation efforts, but instead continues to grow steadily. This concept underscores the importance of a strategic and consistent approach to content marketing, where each piece of content contributes to the overall growth and success of your online presence. Let's take the RF's blog as a case study. They transitioned from publishing many articles per week with stagnant traffic to a more focused approach of not more than 30 articles per month. Remarkably, they achieved consistent growth in their audience. The crux lies in making every article bring consistent traffic month after month. In summary, it is evident that the major stumbling block leading to the failure of most blogs lies in their inability to produce articles that consistently attract targeted traffic. As we move forward in this course, our focus will be squarely on assisting you in overcoming this pivotal challenge. Stay engaged with us to gain valuable insights into the art and science of growing your blog effectively. Our next video will delve into specific strategies on how to grow your blog and website, providing you with actionable steps to achieve your goals. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated and ensure you don't miss out on these valuable tips and techniques. Your continued participation is greatly appreciated, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in the journey ahead. Thank you for being an active part of our session today, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video.